you know, that's way down the road. Like I said, I wanted to do the box Chevy thing, but I think I kind of want to just go top level with my Impala. You know what I'm saying? What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob. We back in the shop today. So today we are going to hop in the Impala, and we are going to head over to Dash's house, pick up a hoodie, and just, you know what I'm saying, vibe out for a little bit, man. I'm super geeked to be able to drive my Impala finally. It still needs some work, some effort, some whatever. But right now, you know what I'm saying, I just want to drive it, man. It's been nice this weekend. I was in it yesterday, took it to the gas station. And crazy part about it is, man, where I live at, the police don't never, ever be. You know what I'm saying? It's not quite the country, but it's pretty close. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like a subdevelopment within kind of like a country type feel. Don't ever be, man. I was thinking yesterday, like, yo, my tags are super outdated. Like, they're 2023 tags. You know what I'm saying? But it was just like, yo, like, I'm cool, man. I'm gonna just go to the gas station. It's just up the street and whatnot. As soon as I leave the neighborhood, guess what? Police right there. You know what I'm saying? They never, ever. I've never, the 4 years I've been over here, I've never seen them there. They were there. It's like, man, like, it's crazy how, you know what I'm saying, the mind works. It's like, yo, I was just thinking about, you know what I'm saying, them not being there, or, you know what I'm saying, what if they are there, whatever. But it is what it is. But in Colorado, man, everybody's tags are outdated. That's one thing about Colorado. I'm not saying that they won't pull you over or they won't do anything, whatever, but everybody's tags are outdated. You know what I'm saying? I seen somebody's tags from 2024, 2022, you know what I'm saying? Temp tags too. I got temp tags on my Impala, but it is what it is, man. We gonna ride regardless, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't even matter. So it just, you know, like I said, it is what it is. But I do plan on getting my tag situation straightened out once I can get the car to emissions and get everything done. And I also want to get the car to emissions before I switch the wheels, because I'd rather them throw the car on the treadmill with these wheels on it than with my new wheels. So I'm actively trying to get new wheels for the car, but you know what I mean? Like I said, I got this Monte Carlo that's draining all my resources right now because I really want that car to be done. But we're gonna try to fit in what we got with the Impala as well. But anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and crank up the Impala, pull it out into the driveway and get it ready to go. I want to check that. What am I trying to say? Spark plug wire, and see what's good with it. And this hood, man, might be dented or it might be bent. I don't know. I hope not. It was a new hood when I first got it, but you know what I mean? We'll have to investigate. We'll have to see, but it kind of looks like it's bowed a little bit. We'll have to see. But anyways, man, before we jump into the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let's go. All right, y'all. Let's see what she do. Man, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm super geeked and thirsty to get this car all the way done up. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm doing with the Monte Carlo. I'm not gonna break it all apart like I did the Monte Carlo, but I am trying to actively, I won't say actively, because like I said, I want to switch some of the things that I've been doing, or I wanted to switch a lot of the things up on this car. You know what I'm saying? You see the weather stripping done, kind of, you know, the weather stripping is good, but it's just like this. I don't know what this is, where it came from, but you know, whatever. But there's certain things that I want to get to fixing on this car, and I want it to just be perfect, like a daily driver. And I wanted to get a box Chevy for the you know, like my daily driver type, you know what I'm saying, like old school luxury type. But you guys know that I've been saying that I've been wanting this to be my daily. But I think what I want to do is, obviously I want it to be my daily, but I think I want to upgrade this car significantly. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I wanted to do the motor already. I'm already gonna do the wheels. I want to make it through the season, but I also want to, you know what I'm saying, clean up the interior. I don't think I'm going to get it reupholstered or anything because I like the stock interior of the car, but I would like to get more cushion in the seats because obviously these are the front seats. People have been sitting in them and they kind of deflated, but if you look in the back seats, they're a little bit more fluffy. Clean up the door panels. I don't know if I want to, I think I might get this center section, cut this center section out and do something custom there. I might do that. I just got to think about it. I might actually go find a Caprice and actually get the door panels off and test what I want to do with the door panels. These ones are already messed up, so they'll have to be redone, but I don't want to test it out on my Impala door panels. I want real good, clear sounds in here. Right now, the speakers are they're all right, but, you know what I'm saying, they could be better. I want, you know, this car to be knocking, you know what I'm saying? I want everything fixed, all the blemishes, all the dents, everything fixed. You know, it already got the 8.5-inch rear end. We just need to go ahead and get the 373s in there, get a 4L80 transmission, and we're good to go, man. And I think, don't quote me on this, I think I want to do that frame off on here. Like, you know, I was going to do it on the Monte Carlo, but I decided not to. But with this one, we're going to have to change the body bushings just like we got for the Monte Carlo and the Elko. But I think I want to pull the frame out because the motor that I'm going to put in here might be a monster. You know what I'm saying? And if I'm going with that much power, it's going to need some reinforcement. It's going to need to be, you know, fixed up the way it needs to get fixed up. But, you know, that's way down the road. Like I said, I wanted to do the box Chevy thing, but I think I kind of want to just go top level with my Impala. You know what I'm saying? My plans change all the time, so we'll see. That's to be determined. But let me go ahead and crank this thing up real quick and get it up out the garage. You know what I'm saying? Let the fuel pump prime a little bit. Should start right up, baby. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna pull this out into the driveway and then I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and then I'll head over to Dash's house. It also looks like we don't have no more transmission leaks or anything like that. I put the hose in here and washed all the wash all the garage out and whatnot, and there's no drips from the transmission pan, so I think we're good to go there. Like I said, I'm gonna just let the car warm up. I can't wait to get that exhaust leak fixed, man. I think I might need some new exhaust clamps because the way the way it's clamped on there, I don't think it's like adhering all the way to the catalytic converter, so we're gonna have to fix that. But yeah, man, whew, I love it. The backside of the Impala, man, I think is the best of any muscle car. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, y'all could disagree, but I think so, man. But you see my tags October 9th, 2023, so it's about a year and a half outdated, but we good, man. We gonna keep it G. We gonna, you know, do what we gotta do. I'm gonna drive my car regardless. It doesn't matter. So, anywho, let me go ahead and open up this hood and see about this. What am I trying to say? Spark plug wire, because it was up against that exhaust manifold. I think it's all right, actually. You know what I'm saying? Because I drove it all day yesterday and it didn't look like whatever. And that's just like a heat shield. So I think it should be good, man, but, you know, we'll see. We'll have to play with it and see what's going on with it. But anyways, man, I ain't gonna slow y'all out. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the car. We'll go ahead and get the Dash's house. Pulled up on Dash. I haven't seen a PT like this with no motor in it. I wanted to come see the bike, but as you guys know, he just dropped this video about what happened with it. You know what I mean? So it'll be back, but like I said, he got a lot of work. This is like next level. I came to get my hoodie from him. You know what I'm saying? Like, it matches the Impala. I was able to bring the Impala out. So, you know what I mean? I'm in that thing, and then, you know, he's over here working on the Monte Carlo. trying to get things ready for, you know, this season. Trying. But nah, he got it together, and I was just telling him I pretty much have everything that I need for my motor, except for the coil packs, injectors, oil pressure sensor, and then everything else I pretty much have except radiator. So we're getting close to putting the motor in the car. Just got a couple things to do, and we there. So yeah, man.
Let's get them right for the year.
I know, right?
Let's get them right.
We trying to get them right so that, you know, this I don't want to have no technical difficulties the whole entire summer. I just want to get in the car, ride, and be good. So, you know what I mean? Because last summer it was like, you know, it was just barely trying to keep things together. So this summer I don't want that. You know what I mean? We trying to get them right. Even if I got to work every single day, I want to get it right. So, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah, that's the other 4L80.
Yeah.
I wish you could just take the tail shaft off and put it back instead of taking everything out. But
yeah, I need to rebuild that. I'll probably end up in the PT.
Yeah.
Unless I find like a newer, like 6-speed or 8-speed.
yeah,
Even 10-speed transmission, maybe.
yeah.
But who knows?
Yeah, so I told him that he could come get that block for the PT so he could mock it up and do what he has to do there. It's just taking up space at this point in my garage. I'm not going, like I told you guys, I'm not going that direction with anything. So, you know, I told him he could have it and do whatever he got to do with it. But yeah.
Just drop off the engine hoist and pick that up.
Yeah. So, you know, but yeah, man, we just trying to, you know, he's trying to fix some coolant leaks. That's where we were in the process of when I pulled up. So, you know what I mean? After that, we should be able to put that back on, and then, you know, everything should hopefully be good to go. Alright, y'all, we made it back to the crib. Had to grab a hoodie from my boy. Dash's garage. Go ahead and match the paint on the Impala. Throw in the free water. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead, go to Dash's garage, holla at him, let him know, you know what I'm saying, you want a hoodie. You got multiple colors, so, you know what I'm saying? Dang, that paint is smacking. I wish this paint job was perfect, y'all. I wish it was, because I really, truly like this color, but it is what it is, man. But anyways, had to go get the hoodie to match the car. I'm trying to drive this car as much as possible to work out all the kinks, everything wrong with it. I'm trying to make sure that we are good to go, because, you know what I'm saying, like, I am trying to be in my Impala. It rides really smooth. I ain't even gonna hold you, it rides really well. And yeah, for the most part, we cold fold, man. That transmission pan, or I did the transmission pan gasket and the filter and everything yesterday. I got it cleaned up and put together, and so far it doesn't seem like there's any leaks, you know what I mean? So we should be good to go, man. Just got to figure out this camber situation, and then you know, tighten some other things up, and we should be straight. But I think it's this wheel that was looking real suspect as far as the camber. Yeah, this wheel over here. So I don't know if it's still super low, but I'm gonna raise this side up and see what we got going on, and see if, actually I'll raise up both sides and see what we got going on. I had my family in there the other day and it was rubbing a little bit, so we'll see, man. But worst comes to worst, I'll just continue to buff the rest of the car so that it gleams just like this, you know. And then, you know, other than that, we're just gonna rock it like this for now. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna be it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I just stopped by Dash's house to see what he had going on, and then I had to double back and go get the engine stand to do some work. So that's what we got going down, man. The Impala's running great. I hope she stays running great, because, you know what I'm saying, we're trying to keep it moving, you know what I mean? We're trying to enjoy it for the summer this time around, and, you know, just do what we got to do, man, because that's going to be my summer toy. Hopefully we could get the Monte Carlo done and ready to go as well. And then, you know what I'm saying, that one will be out on the streets as well. So next, what we got to do is we got to finish building this motor, getting everything together. I had to do a couple of things, but now that those things are done, we got to get the motor all the way buttoned up. Motor mounts came in, everything that I need for the motor to put it into the car are now here, except the flex plate, and starter and oil filter. But other than that, we're good. So after I do that, we'll go ahead and start trying to get this transmission all the way together so I can get it out of the box and clear up some space in the garage. It's starting to warm up and be really nice, so I can start painting the rest of the car, get it all done. And then once it's all the way done, put together, man, we'll have a nice little solid nether G-body going on in the garage. So anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was nothing too crazy. I just needed to, you know what I'm saying, like vet the Impala out a little bit. So I decided to go to Dash's house. And yeah, this is where we're at. So anyways, man, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? Always remember, work hard so you live free.